In this video, we want to learn how to create PowerPoint presentation like this. Follow for more tutorial. For creating that presentation, insert your favorite pictures. Then, duplicate them as many as time that you want and make them bigger in different sizes. Do it the same as you see. Select all of them and group them by Ctrl G. Now choose some of these images and make them blur. Now, add your text. Change its size and font. Duplicate your slide. Move your images. And then minimize your text. And add your another text. Duplicate your slide again. Move your image again and bring it out of your slide. And move your text and add another text. Now select all of your slide and go to transition and select Morph transition. Let's see what's happened. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.